Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I gave you guys a 30-minute makeup routine, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. I'm just going to start off by pinning back my hair so I won't get any makeup on it. And then I'm going to start off with my eyebrows using a Morphe angle brush. I'm not sure of what number this is, but I will put it in the description box. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony. And just a little tip for eyebrows, you want to start off by outlining your natural brow shape and then fill it in completely, and then go under it and above it and clean it up with concealer. Now it's time to conceal those eyebrows, and I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm using a Morphe flat brush. Then you just want to blend out that concealer with the blending brush. I'm using the Real Techniques blending brush, and I will put the exact name in the description box. And now it's time to apply foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in Toffee, and it is the Dewy and Smooth, and I'm using a Real Techniques face brush. I am absolutely in love with this foundation brush. It moves the product around so smoothly and blends so well, and it was very affordable. I actually got it at Walgreens, so I recommend you guys go get this brush. And now I'm going to use that same concealer in Toffee to highlight my face. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on my nose, my cupid's bow, and also my forehead. And then of course I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend out those areas where I applied that concealer. And then you want to take that extra concealer that's on the beauty blender and apply that on your eyelid just to prime your eyes for the eyeshadow that we're going to apply. Next, I'm just going to set those highlighted areas with my Mercier translucent powder. And I'm also going to apply that with that same beauty blender. It's time to contour with my favorite palette, STILA contour palette in the color Deep. You could also use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I just like using this cream concealer. And now it's time to apply eyeshadow, and I'm using the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. And this is a blending brush that I got from Ulta. I'm not sure the name of it, but I'm gonna take that brown shade and apply that in my crease and take it all the way up to my brow and along my bridge of the nose. And for my 30-minute routine, I don't apply any false lashes because I have super curly lashes, so it takes me a little while to actually apply false lashes, so I just skip that step and apply mascara. Take my e.l.f. primer mist and spray that on my Crown Pro C510 eyeshadow brush, and take that pink shade in that Zulu palette and just apply that on the top of my eyelids. It's so crazy how in the palette the color looks like a pink shimmery eyeshadow, but it goes on as a bright gold color. And now it's time to set that contour with the contour blush by NARS in the color Gienah. And I'm just using a fluffy blush brush. Now it's time to highlight, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome with a fan brush, and I sprayed the brush with e.l.f. primer mist just to make the color pop a little bit more. I'll be using that Maybelline Colossal mascara just to make my real lashes pop. now I'm just gonna set my whole entire face with my e.l.f. primer mist, and I spray enough to the point where I look misty. If not, then I feel like I'm not doing it right, and then I just blend my whole entire face with my beauty blender. And for my lips, I'm gonna outline them with a NK pencil in dark brown. And for the center, I'm gonna use a MAC lipstick in the color Viva Glam II. And I'm gonna apply BUXOM lip gloss on the top of that in the color Princess.